today I'm going to be doing the baby hair tutorial for you. I know some people was asking me for this, so here it is. First, I just get my edges toothbrush, and then I get my Cantu curling cream, and I just take on the side. You want a good bit, but you don't want like way too much. And I use this to lay them down. And don't worry about the white stuff. We're gonna hold it better, but we're gonna remove that. And then just lay those hairs down. Okay. And then after I do those two, well, I always sweep these up. Usually it looks kind of weird on me, but some people like to leave that part down. And then take some of the excess and clean up the bag. And there's another method that I also use. I can show you guys that one as well. So I guess this will be method number 1. This is how I first started, but there's, if you want more, you want more swoops, then that is what method number 2 is going to be for. So if that's what you're interested in, then you can just stay tuned for that video. But this is really my go-to. It's faster. The other one's just a little more detail. So yeah, when I'm swooping down, I'm giving it that curl effect at the end. So I'm kind of swooping it to the side. And then that prevents from having this little line at the end of them, and it looks more natural. And I did not cut these hairs, so I do not advise anyone to cut their hair. That is just naturally there for me. So if you don't have smaller hairs, you have longer hair, then method 2 will definitely be for you. And I will show y'all that method here shortly, in a few days, probably coming up this week. I'm gonna show you how. And then if you have too much white stuff, just too much there, you can just pat it out. And then the next thing, this is the key. If you don't have these two things, if you want to use a different leave-in conditioner, I guess you could, but this one is the best that I am vouching for. But this is what's going to hold all your work in place. This is what works best to shape and to form your work, okay? This. So these two are what I'm really vouching for. I don't know about no other stuff. I haven't tried it with anything else. This hairspray is just like this. I'm sure any hairspray would really work, but this is the one that I vouch for. I don't use a lot of hairsprays. This is the first one I really got in a long time. It's Flexible Control Finishing Hairspray by Suave. Professional 3 salon proven. Okay, and it says 0 crunch 24-hour hold, so maybe that's why this works so well. So once I spray it, I'll go back over it to make sure that it's laid down good and nice how I want. And then it really just dries in no time. So yeah, that is it for this tutorial, you guys. That is how I do the baby hairs. For you guys that were wondering. So I'll probably take a selfie later because I'm not liking this camera. And if they're raising up, just push them down. My hair's being stubborn today. Just push them down, and when they dry, they will stay just like that, right where they are, where they're supposed to be. And then I'm using this too to kind of lay my eyebrows. Yeah, so that's it, you guys, for this tutorial. I hope that you liked it, and I hope that I could help you somehow. And anything else that you guys want to see from me, just let me know, and I will be sure to do that for you. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and you might have to perfect it to the 100th time because I'm very picky. I don't know about y'all, but I like my things to be how I like them to be. So yeah, you guys, this was pretty much it for this video. But yeah, you guys, thanks for tuning in. It was great to see you. Have a good day and stay blessed, stay up, and goodbye.